Service Manager is aimed at companies who provide managed services to large organizations. It provides a powerful platform to manage internal operations while delivering real-time service information to customers. Deffinity has an application for everything from project management to service desk through to managing staff training. This means you no longer have to rely on a variety of spreadsheets and homegrown applications to support your business. Everything within Deffinity is joined up, which means everyone operates in the same way and you get to the information you need quickly and easily. Let's have a look at how Deffinity can help you. Meet Kevin. He runs a successful cabling company in the heart of the city. Kevin's company mainly deals with commercial and retail banks as well as pharmaceuticals. He has around 100 engineers working in various locations. Meet Claire. She's a busy executive working for one of Kevin's clients, a bank. She's very demanding and needs information at a drop of a hat. She doesn't want to run around looking for Kevin or his team when she needs information. She wants it immediately. And quite often, Claire spends her time rushing around from site to site, so she needs a reassurance from Kevin's company that everything is under control. When Kevin's team eventually produce information for Claire, it's normally late and poorly put together. The figures very seldom stack up, and it's not in a format which is clear and concise. Quite often there are discrepancies in the data, and she ends up spending her own time cross-checking the reports. This continues every single month, despite promises to improve things. Claire begins to feel disappointed with Kevin's team and begins to wonder if they're right for the bank. The thought of moving to another supplier did cross her mind, but in the end she decided to give Kevin another chance. This was despite attractive offers from other vendors who were offering her something better than Kevin. Kevin realized he had to come up with a solution to sort out the mess he was in. His biggest concern was the investment required. Since margins were being squeezed by Claire, he didn't have much cash to pump into a new project. On top of this, his business had very little knowledge of systems. But he didn't have a choice. He had to make a change. Kevin had to satisfy both the internal needs of the business as well as the needs of his customers. From an internal perspective, he realized it was important to get rid of the spreadsheets and manual processes that led to slow customer response. He needed something a bit more joined up. Secondly, he wanted to cut down the time required by his project managers and finance department when dealing with timesheets and invoicing. And finally, since competition was fierce, he had to look for a solution that would make his business really stand out from the crowd and help to delight existing customers as well as attract new ones. From the customer's viewpoint, Kevin had to find a solution that could deliver live status reports and deliver them in real time. The customer also wanted complete visibility of the service, plus wanted to make sure service levels were being met. On top of this, Kevin had to prove that his business was continually looking for better ways to do things. After trawling the market, Kevin realized Deffinity was the way to go. Deffinity offered him everything he wanted and could deliver a unique customer experience. And the great thing was he could brand the solution using his own company logo, which meant to his customers it looked like the solution was developed by him. Deffinity provides an integrated suite of applications for service delivery and ensures your business delivers services consistently. And it keeps your customers up to date with information through a tailored portal. And on top of that, it makes ordering new services much easier, which means you make more money. Since Deffinity sits in the cloud, it means Kevin doesn't need to worry about buying expensive hardware, software, backups or pay for costly upgrades. It's all taken care of. All that's needed is a browser, and you can access the system using a laptop or mobile device. Kevin is now seen as a hero in his business. His company has become more efficient and slick, and his customers now get the level of service that they wanted. He's also winning more business now that he can demonstrate a professional approach to service delivery.